Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make my ribs. There's plenty of ways how you can make ribs. This is just one of them, okay? Before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. It is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it. So the first thing y'all gonna wanna do is strip off the membrane off the back side of the ribs, which is turn it meat side down where you can see the bones, basically is what I'm saying here. And once I show y'all this, I'm gonna try to show y'all this up close. But it's kind of hard when you first try to get it. But once you get it, okay? These are beef ribs, just so y'all know. I like beef ribs. So I'm trying to stick the knife underneath this membrane so I can grab it and get a nice grip on it. And you might get lucky and get it off with one swipe, but you might not get lucky like me and have to get this off. I'm gonna show y'all. There we go. I'm using the paper towels because it's easy to grip so my fingers don't slip off of it. There we go. Now we got a nice good piece. That one was a lot easier. Okay, so we're going to take our pan that we're going to marinate in, and we're going to pour some apple juice in here. I usually would use like an orange. You can use an orange or like a lime or lemon or even Dr. Pepper or something like that, but I'm just going to use some apple juice because I don't know what happened to my orange. Don't know what happened. Just enough pretty much to cover the bottom. Then we're just going to take a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And we're just going to place these in here and let these marinate overnight. Meat side down. Now we're going to go ahead and make a rub. We're going to start with 1/3 cup of brown sugar. We're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Y'all don't even know if I got that much. We're going to see. We're going to do about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Tablespoon of onion powder. We're going to do about a teaspoon of ground mustard. That's good enough. Yeah, I'm going to use the rest of this cayenne pepper, but we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of this. Child, it's gone. Do a 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red peppers. That was a little more than 1/2 teaspoon, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna do about a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And a 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. Now we got everything all together, y'all. We're going to use this tomorrow on our meat. It's the next morning, as y'all probably can already tell. Let's get this meat out, put the rub on it, get our oven on right now, 275, and get our meat in there. Get yourself a pan. I'm actually going to use this for you want to pat dry it so our seasonings can stick. If y'all don't have all night to marinate this, you can marinate it for 30 minutes in the fridge. So we're gonna take some Dijon mustard. And rub it all over. Both sides. It's gonna be our binder. Or you can use regular mustard, doesn't matter. And we're just gonna take our rub and pack it on the meat. Both sides. And then y'all, I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes before I actually start packing the ribs. So I'm gonna let the meat settle in there. I'm gonna let the seasoning settle in there for about 10 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and wrap this with the meat side down. We're gonna cook this with the meat side down. So I'm just gonna use this foil. Pack it tight. Notice how I never flipped the meat. I didn't flip it because I wanted to keep it on the side that it was on, meat side down. Now we're gonna put this in the oven for about 3 hours on 275, okay? Or until your meat is falling off, depending on how thick your ribs are. Y'all can go ahead and put it on the grill, whatever y'all want. I'm gonna put these in the oven. It's hot, let's turn it over. Y'all. As y'all can see, it fell off the bone. Okay. I guess it didn't. I don't know. I don't know what to say, y'all. So at this point, y'all can go ahead and add barbecue sauce, whatever you're gonna do. Put it back in the oven on broil just to get your sauce on there, and these are done, y'all. Very much tender. Let's have a taste, cause I just can't. Yeah. Man. I'm supposed to be eating all it. This right here? Yes, sir. Low and slow. Low and slow. So I actually am gonna put some barbecue sauce on these ones and put it back in the oven. And y'all can actually use that sauce. That seasoning, like I said, to make some barbecue sauce if y'all want. I'm just using Sweet Baby Ray's, y'all. We're gonna stick this in the oven on broil. Y'all, the meat is falling off. Oh my gosh. A little spicy. All right, y'all, so this is how it came out. As y'all can see, it's very much fall off the bone, okay? Very much flavorful, very much fall off the bone. Don't forget, y'all, the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!